Pagpila mo at magbabayad ka na, iabot mo na lang yung pera mo. May sumingit. May sumingit. May nabasa ulit ako. Sabi ni Seneca, the true man is revealed in difficult times. Each of us have our own set of values. Examples of values are integrity, respect, patience, love, simplicity, perseverance, responsibility. Now, each individuals have our own unique set of values depending on our culture, kung saan tayo nag-aral, family, friends, environment. Example, tanghaling tapat, napakainit. So, pumunta ka ngayon ng 7-Eleven kasi uhaw na uhaw ka. Pumila ka, pagpila mo at magbabayad ka na, iabot mo na lang yung pera mo. May sumingit. Kaya ang sabi mo, one of your values is patience and kindness. Sometimes we have to remember that these values arise when the situation calls for it. Sabi nga ni Seneca, the true man is revealed during difficult times.